5 lessons I have learned in the last 5 years. First, the greatest trust we can have in people is to trust that they don't quintessentially need us to save them. This is not to say that we won't be there for people when they really need us or when they are actively asking for our support and help and advice, but this is to understand that we don't need to jump in and save the situation, solve situations for people. Everyone is capable of making their own decisions, and everyone is capable of also learning to follow through with the consequences of their own decisions. Personal growth movement is overcoming my own savior complex. Second is completely accepting the fact that relationships sustain through individual efforts in repairing and rebuilding the connection a zillion times, sometimes several times a day. And this is what makes commitment so much more important in relationships. Of course, this is true for friendships, sibling relationships, parent-child relationships, workplace relationships, family relationships across the board. Also understanding that how we show up in one relationship is in all probability how we show up in all of our relationships. So personal growth moment is learning to expect and accept reciprocity in relationships. Third important lesson is understanding that appreciating the mind and intellect is amazing, but it's equally healthy and super important to appreciate the physical body as well. Personal growth movement is overcoming a lot of body image issues, but even more than that, it is about understanding and appreciating the fact how much our physical body sustains us through medical challenges, health issues, difficult schedules, stress, indiscipline at times, and so much in life. Fourth important lesson is accepting the fact that financial abundance directly influences our confidence to go through life, our risk-taking capabilities, and even our ability to maximize on opportunities in life. This is not about being money-minded, but it is only about accepting practical realities of life. So personal growth moment is learning to say no to unpaid work and prioritizing being paid for work as much as I've always prioritized learning on the job. Fifth important lesson is completely accepting the fact that I cannot do anything in life just for the heck of it if I don't see the bigger purpose to it. If I don't understand how it helps me to be the change I seek, how it helps me to be the better that I expect from the world, if something is not in alignment with my values, with what I believe in fundamentally, there is no way that I can continue doing it for even a year. And I completely understand that it is my privilege to be able to go through life in this way. At the same time, personal growth moment is learning to not let anyone's comments, taunts, suggestions, perceptions, anything anyone else says, make me feel guilty or ashamed of appreciating this privilege that I'm blessed with.